Hello, my name is Muhammad Darmawan. I study in University Jakarta State. Study program is accounting. I present my thesis is the effect of profit management, fixed asset intensity, and inventory intensity toward tax avoidance with sales growth as a variable moderation. Result and discussion. Data description. The study use secondary data in from of annual report of meaning combined list of the IDX during the period 222 224. The population is the study a consumer and consumption companies. This IDX sample selection result. The sample selection in this study was conducted using purpose sampling, a sampling technique based specific criteria to the research objective. The method to obtain a relevant sample with complete data to meet the research needs. Based on the sample selection process according to the pre predetermined criteria, a number of companies were obtained that meet the requirement to be used as research samples. Further, data from companies that meet the criteria were observed during the wait, 222 for 225 period mod 1005 observation. Description static analysis variable X, namely earning management, show an average of 0.03. This value was obtained from 3 to 0 company observation samples. The analysis results show that value of company's earning management is 0.0354, a value very close to zero. The finding implies the thing, namely, number one, the level of earning management practice among the sample companies is very low and does not reach a significant of material level. Number two, there is a very minimal positive tendency toward earning management, but the magnitude of the tendency is negligible. Number three, the companies is the sample are generally conservative and transparent in presenting their financial statement, so that credibility of accounting information is maintained. Variable fixed asset intensity has a freight volume of 0.478 obtained from 3 to 0 companies observation sample. The average value of fixed asset intensity of 0.478 or 47% total asset indicate that the companies is the research sample have significant and material fixed asset investment in their asset structure. The proportion of fixed asset possessing almost half of total asset implies that the research sample of dominant by capital research companies such as manufacturing attach. Variable 3, namely inventory intensity, has a average mean of 0.2336 obtained from 3 to 0 companies samples. The average value inventory intensity of 0.233 X or 23% of total asset indicated that the companies is the research sample have fairly material investment in inventory in their asset structure. Companies have significant inventory investment are the important component in their business operational cycle. The high average inventory intensity indicate that the companies in the sample depend on effective inventory management for their operation and profitability. The variable Y name tag avoidance has mean value 0.193 obstant 3 to 0 companies observation samples. The mean value of tag avoidance of 0.19 or 19 second indicate that companies on average engage in the tag avoidance practice as the moderate level. The common practice carried out by the major of company in the sample. And the variable Z sales growth as a mean values of 0.155 company observation sample, the average sales growth value 0.155 or 13% indicate the companies in the research sample experience very positive and healthy sales growth on average. Correlation test. The correlation test explained that the percent correlation coefficient value x1 with x2 of 0.812 is very high. Forcing one indicated that there is a very strong and close positive linear relationship between the earning management variable or x1 and fixed asset intensity is x2. The significant value for p far below 0.05 indicate that very strong relationship in static significant and not the result of random sampling variation, but represent a real relationship in the research population. Multiple regression test. The F statistics value is the tool ratio between the mean square or MSR and the mean square error or MSE, which measure how much variation is explained by the model relative to the unexplained variation. The result of the F statistic value uh, 8.646, that value is very rare. Have statistic value. Well, the result of the significant value no, 0.001. So the F test result show that multiple linear regression model with the independent variable is significant statistically. Thus, this regression model is suitable for the explain the influence of earning management, fixed asset intensity, and inventory intensity on tax avoidance. Regression before moderation. The R value is a multiple correlation coefficient that means the linear relationship between the combination of independent variable x1, x2, xt with the R value is sharing of square R is the coefficient of determination that measure variable and tag avoidance is included as that Stat explained by the after the sales group variable adjust the R corrected version of R avoidance is still relatively weak models. The R value indicating the level of relationship between independent variable and the error value of the dependent variable after entering the moderating variable, because the dependent variable y is 0.20 or 0.39, the relationship between the important in the model, and the value is the log category. Moderation regression test. Based on the moderation regression model equality is example that the constant value of 0.203 indicated that if our independent variable are zero, then the tag avoidance value is 0.203. The variable x1, x1 coefficient of 0.039 indicated that learning management has a positive effect on tag avoidance. The x2 coefficient of minus 0.013 indicated the fixed asset intensity has a negative effect on tag avoidance. The H3 coefficient of 0.002 indicated a very small positive relationship with tag avoidance. The Z coefficient of 0.008 indicated the cells group as a very small positive relationship with tag avoidance. The interaction coefficient X1 Z, X2 Z, X3 Z are negative, which theory indicated a tendency to weaken the relationship, but is significant needs to be test drop the p-value. Test T or partial test. The result of the partial test explain the effect of unmanagement on tag avoidance can be obtained regression coefficient value 0.035, standard beta 0.552, T con 0.7x5, significancy 0 since the result is 0.05, and management has positive and significant effect on tag avoidance. Shape hypothesis 1 accept learning management has a positive and significant effect on tax avoidance. For hypothesis 2, the result for the partial test explain the effect of fixed asset intensity on tax avoidance, obtain the regression coefficient value minus 0.023 standard beta minus 0.44x decon minus 4x to 1 significancy not 0. Fixed asset intensity has a negative significant effect on tax avoidance. Yeah. Hypothesis 2 accept fixed asset intensity has a negative and significant effect on tax avoidance. Hypothesis 3, the result of the partial explain the effect of inventory universities on tax avoidance can be obtained by the regression coefficient value or beta 0.006, standard beta 0.024, Ticon 0.440, significancy 0.660, because significancy 660 peak from 0.05 inventory intensity does not have a significant effect on tag avoidance. Uh, Hypothesis 3 is rejected. Inventory inventory has no effect to tag avoidance. Uh, Normally test. The result of the normally test using the one sample called Mokornov-Smirnov test obtain a sample significant to delta values of 0.200, which is the greater than the 0.05. That's it can be get that the residual data is normal distribution so that the regression model match the normality assumption. Heteroscedasticity test. The result of the heteroscedasticity or cluster show that independent variable have a significant value above 0 plus 0 x so that heteroscedasticity does not occur. Multi-collinear test, the result of multi-collinear test in the main regression model so that tolerant value where the biggest 0 on 10 past 10 for FF the smallest of 10 show no significant multi-collinear problems were found the earning measurement variable or X1 has a tolerant value 0 plus 3 for 0 and FEF of 2.9 2.9 for so there is no multicollinearity. Autocorrelation the autocorrelation test result show that the Durbin Watson value of 10 is 1.678, indicating that there is no autocorrelation with the model. Therefore, the regression model is suitable for hypothesis testing. Conclusion and closing. Based on the result of the data analysis and hypothesis that have been carried out, the following conclusion can be: number one, error management has a positive and significant effect on tech avoidance. That result show a significance value of 0.000 smallest with 0 plus 0.5 with a positive regression coefficient of 0 plus 0.35. The indicators that the level earning management practice carried out of combining the hacker the level of the tech avoidance. Number two, big asset intensity has a negative and significant effect on tech avoidance. The test result show significant value 0 small 0 plus 0.5 with a negative regression coefficient of minus 0 plus 0.23. The indicated that the greater the population of fixed asset by combining the lower the level of tech avoidance. Number three, inventory intensity has no effect on avoidance. The result show significant value 0 pas 660 biggest from 0 pas 0.5. Sales growth number four, sales growth is unable to moderate the effect of earning management on tech avoidance. Number five, the sales growth is unable to moderate the effect of fixed asset intensity of tech avoidance. Number six, the sales growth is unable to moderate the effect of inventory intensity on tech avoidance. The seven, the coefficient of the terminus value before modern was 0 plus 0.76 and is to 0 plus 0 x 5 after moderation increase of 0 plus 9% indicated that the addition of modeling variable has not been a significant improve the model's ability to explain various to tech items. Thank you.